Hello! Hello, welcome back to the bird's nest. Sunday. That's a cow pat. You don't want to touch that. It's Sunday, so we decided to come out for a wander. And we've come to the retreat at High Halden near Ashford, between Ashford and Tenterden. We've been here before, there's a couple of vlogs here I think before. But we've come to get the girls out because we've been locked down. Get a bit of exercise. See some animals. We'll see in a minute.
That's so cute. Mummy and Daddy one, the baby one, the sister, the other one.
Yeah, come on, should we walk down the path?
Yeah.
See what we can find. What's this over here, look? I think this is in memory of all the animals that have passed.
Oh, yes, it is.
Don't touch. Indy, Eden, don't touch. Should we go back this way, see what Daddy's up to?
Yeah.
What's this chicken's name?
What's the chicken's name?
Alex the cock.
Not wrong there.
Oh.
You're not that bothered, are you, Oakley?
No, what?
There's a chicken. Say hello. Don't go too close.
Hi. Hello.
Hang on.
Hi, chicken. Hi, chicken.
Come on. It's Ducky. Oh God, they're terrifying. Oh look, there's a cat.
No, he can't eat it.
Hello.
He can't eat it, Wally. There's a chicken on the loose coming off.
I can't really see from there.
Chicken's right west.
Hello.
Hello. That's some chickens, Daddy.
Yeah, chickens. Hey.
Hey.
Goat.
He goes, not goat.
That's a funny looking goat.
He's nice big ears. What do you think, Oakley?
Be careful with the goat, baby. That might be quite.
Oh. What's that?
Loads of them. All rescued. You can't feed it.
Soft sticks.
Yeah.
Should we go and see Mr. Ned? Not going to anyway. Do you want to get out to stroke his nose?
Oh, you want to stroke his nose?
Daddy?
Stay here, darling.
And I'll get you out. You have to go back in though, okay? Because I haven't got enough arms for her. Everybody. Oh, he wants Sadie to stroke his nose.
Hello.
You're so beautiful. Eden. Eden. She gonna look at the piggies. Look. Hello. Oh, you're so cute.
Yeah, three-legged.
What's her name?
Lara.
Laura.
Oh. Do you want to have a look at Lara? Come
She's
here.
so
Come on.
cute.
Come here. You want to say hello to her?
Oakley's not seen animals before, so this is quite interesting.
Wait. Ready? Want to stroke his nose? I don't think she wanted to. Oh, what's the matter? You're scared.
Easy.
Don't be scared. It's a cow.
Beautiful. Eden, Indy. Eden. Yeah.
This one here, look. This one here. That's it, I'll go in flat. That's it. Yeah, don't taste nice up front.
Grab a handful.
Hello. Hello.
No, not a little handful, a big handful.
Would you stop grabbing my hair, mister?
Yeah, honey. Yeah? Honey, yourself.
Oh, you put him here, madam. Indy's had a whale of a time. Indy, come and look. Indy, look. Indy, you need him back up a bit. Over here, girls.
Hello, mate. What is it, Eden? It's a goat. Goatie. No, you're not splashing mud puddles because you've got trainers on, haven't you?
From the spring, isn't it?
Yeah, they was all sort of rescued from the trade, all the little ones.
Chickens over there. Girls are feeding the animals in the high chair at the moment. We are feeding our animal, aren't we? Feeding you your lunch. You refused bottle earlier. Down at the retreat, down at High Halden. And we've been in to see some animals, and we've been into the pens because I've got a friend that works here, and he saw us and he bought some food for all the girls to throw at the animals. Not throw at the animals, but to feed the animals, which was really nice of him. Thank you, Will. Ah, and they're cute, yeah. Well, thank you very much, Will. It's very nice of him. Is it fun? You like it down here, don't you? How would you like Daddy to come here once in a blue moon, once in a while, to help volunteer and feed the animals, and I bring you on your own one day, and I bring you Indy one day? Yeah. Would you like that? Yeah. I'll ask.
He's just annihilating me.
Ow.
Oh, yeah, I'm on camera. I'm going to stop now.
Please let me go in.
I'll take you in there in a minute.
Okay. But I think my chips squeeze.
Yeah, you can finish your chips.
Let me go there. And those drawings.
Yeah.
A big drawing.
Yeah, big drawing.
I'm stroking.
Very good. Good girl.
Oh, Blaze, little piggy. Well, not so little.
Do you want to stroke him?
She's scared. Indy loves animals.
You're lovely.
Oakley, it's a piggy. Did you see? He's having his dinner. He's having his din-dins. Nom 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 nom.
Very good. Almost had all of his dinner, hasn't he? Yeah, it's nearly gone. What is it? Yeah.
It's the only thing he's taken interest in all day. Other than the chickens. He likes the chickens. How old is the pig?
I don't know. We have only just rescued him. We've only had him about 3 weeks. Yeah. Yeah, he's in here on his own until he gets used to the place. And then, yeah, hopefully he'll be put in with other kids.
Do they mix together okay, or is there like a little break in?
Sometimes there can be a bit of a little ward. But yeah, on a whole, touch wood, we do all sort of get away with it normally. We sort of give them just enough time to settle in, and then he'll probably go in with these ones here.
Oh, you will go in the big pen?
Yeah, these pigs are quite nice.
And the car park's empty. Well, there you go. That's our little afternoon jolly jaunt out to the retreat. Saw an old friend, which was nice to catch up. Thank you, Will, for your hospitality. and letting us see the animals that are closer than normal. Thank you very much, appreciate that. It was really nice of you to let the girls do that and some feed. So we're going to make our way home now. I'm exhausted. Girls are in the car seats. Oakley's in the car, is in his car seat. Just got to put the pushchair away now. And we'll go home. So thank you very much for watching. If you're new, don't forget, like, comment, subscribe, social media, the bird nest, la 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 la. Share the videos, comment on the videos. And we'll start making a nice little set of videos up. So keep watching. We've got a bit of backlog to get through from lockdown, so keep watching, subscribe, notification bell, hit the tick button, and you'll be notified when this one is edited and it's up and running. Thank you very much, so bye, see you again.